Hi, viewers, today I will teach you how to download Google Fonts and add them to your HTML project. Go to fonts.google.com and select the required font family. After downloading, extract the zip folder. Now open the transfonter.org website and add your fonts to convert them to WOFF format. After downloading, extract the downloaded file in the fonts folder and then copy the fonts folder to the project directory. Now go to the HTML file in the Visual Code Editor and add the stylesheet.css file path at the top. Copy the font family name from the stylesheet file and give it to the body tag globally in the style.css file. Finally, you will see that the font family has been updated. Thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel.